Hi, food lovers. Let's make one of my favorite snacks, Nigerian Chinchin. So, the first thing you're going to do is get your bowl and get your ingredients in it. I'm using 2 cups of flour, then I added about half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. You can use vanilla extract if that's what you have. I mixed the dry ingredients together before adding in my wet ingredients. I used the milk, egg, and butter. The milk and the butter are 1/3 cup, and just 1 egg was fine. I mixed this together with a spatula. You can go ahead to use your hand directly, but I prefer to do this part with a spatula and then go ahead to knead and mix everything thoroughly with my hands. Don't worry, guys, I'll put the measurements of everything in the description box below so that you can make yours. Once the dough is all kneaded, you're going to go ahead and flour a flat surface and take a little piece of the dough. You don't want to do too much at once. I don't have the manpower for that, but if you do, go ahead. You're just going to roll it out until it's about ½ inch thick, and then you're going to flour your knife, or you can use a pizza cutter, anything that you have. And I decided to cut mine into squares. I don't like my chin chin too tiny, so I cut them into like big squares. But you can play with the shapes. Whatever shape you like is very, like, there's no rule. Make your food however you like it, guys. So I just cut it into strips and then cut the strips into cubes, which is what I'm doing here. After all that was done, I just kind of scattered it around. It's not necessary, but I decided to play with it. And then I heat up some oil, and your oil, you want to check if it's very hot by just sprinkling a little bit of flour in it. If it bubbles up, you know that your oil is hot enough. And then you're going to go ahead and fry your chin chin until it's golden brown, just like this. I don't like mine too dark. Some people like theirs to get a little bit too dark, but guys, there's no set way to make your food. Do it however you like. If you want a little bit dark, that's fine. Here is me trying to make an aesthetically pleasing video for you guys. Who does this for their viewers? Only me. Only me. I really love this chin chin, and I hope you'll be trying the recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Bye.